Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 23 and we want to present an open-ended laboratory which is G42 Smith rebound hardness test. What is Smith rebound hammer test? It is a non-destructive technique used to determine the compressive strength, surface hardness, and penetration resistance of reinforced concrete and masonry structures by measuring the rebound of the spring-loaded mass acting against the surface of the sample. The Smith hammer rebound hardness value is perhaps the most commonly used in rock mechanics practice for estimating the uniaxial compressive strength and modulus of elasticity of intact rock in laboratory conditions and in situ.
The theory for this test is to determine the hardness and the unison compressive strength (VCS) of a rod, and the Smith hammer is a sample apparatus whereby the rebound of the spring-driven mass inside is measured after it impacts with the rod surface.
These are apparatus that we use in this experiment. First, the rock sample with flat surface, and then the rigid base that prevent our rock sample against any movement, and the presence of Smith hammer. First, we place the rock sample on the rigid base. After we place the rock sample on the rigid base, we will use Smith hammer vertically on the rock sample, and then record the reading. Repeat the reading 9 times to get the average actual of reading.
Next, we will continue on the discussion part. First, we will discuss on how to calibrate the Smith hammer test. Prior to testing, the Smith hammer should be calibrated using a calibration test anvil supplied by manufacturer. 12 readings should be taken, dropping the highest and lowest, and then take the average of the 10 remaining. Second, we will discuss about the result of the test. Refer to the table provided by ISRM. The average rebound value is 41.1, while the average UCS value is 84.45 MPa. This indicates that the granodornite igneous rock is strong since it lies in between 50 to 100 MPa. So this is the table provided by ISRM. If you can see, in between 50 and 100 of compressive strength, the descriptive term is strong, while the indicative rock types says that some low-grade metamorphic rocks, marble, some strongly cemented sedimentary rocks, some weathered and metamorphic igneous rocks.
To conclude this experiment, the rebound hardness and uniaxial compressive strength UCS of rock can be determined by performing the Smith rebound hardness test by using Smith hammer. From the experiment, we can obtain the average uniaxial compressive strength value, which is you can refer to previous slide to determine the type of rock sample.